Cereal Nestum Prawns, totally delicious and perfect for any Chinese New Year get-together. Season the prawns with a little salt and pepper, then add in a dust of some corn and plain flour before adding 1 beaten egg. Fold gently before adding a little bit more corn flour and plain flour. Heat up your pan and add in a little bit of oil. Slowly place each of the prawn in and cook on medium heat. Remove the prawns once cooked and set aside. Now discard almost all of the oil in the pan, then add in your butter. Once the butter is melted, add in the curry leaves, chili padi as well as the garlic. Fry it for a couple of minutes before adding the Nestum cereal, 1 tablespoon of milk powder as well as a seasoning of salt. Fry for a minute before adding the prawns. And there you have it, our crowd pleaser, a fortune and wealth dish, our cereal Nestum prawns.